Welcome back to another stream of Star Technology. Last time I made a big mistake and broke the previous colossal chest and all items were deleted. So that also caused all of these items to start recrafting because they were all gone, and the entire system basically had an overflow and failed. So that's why I ended the stream earlier and I checked the configs. What I changed is in the I think it was gameplay settings and then logistics, yeah, right here. So I went to, it was gameplay settings, then logistics, and here is the chain conveyor capacity. And I set that up from 20 to 200. So that should already avoid the problem that the packages were stuck in one place and then couldn't go to the machines anymore. Okay, one moment. There seems to be still some issue here. They were going to the extruder. Oh, that's weird. There was one stainless steel left. Okay, a lot of things. As you can see, not everything is done yet. I left the... So after that, the system started processing many things. And I left it run for maybe around 2 hours. Or even 3. And yeah, it was finally done after that. So now most of the items are back. And on the other side, the crate stuff, this one I deactivated, that's why there's none. But of course some items took longer and caused the process to be re-requested. So that's why, for example, there are now 23 plastic printed circuit boards. And I think some other stuff is also more than requested. Wrought iron plate here. But that is fine. It's still making the counter coils. I should have reset that actually to 0 because I didn't need that really. But yeah, so far I think stainless steel is still missing and counter coils, but that is fine. Once stainless steel is done, I'm gonna... Okay, that's making way too much counter, I think, but... And then this is gonna cause... Okay. As soon as the coils are done, I'm gonna take out the counter. And then this is gonna make more pipes, probably, than ever required. But that means pumps are gonna be easy to craft. And then here as well, circuits are also back. Wafers are back. The chips are also back. Components are made. So basically everything was automatically recrafted as soon as the system was working. And then I built the bigger chest, plus also connected more of the packages to, yeah, speed up the packaging into the main storage. What I also tried is to add another packager here with another stock link, because I thought sometimes this one here is a bottleneck. But it seems like if I put another stock link on this chest, it's counting the items double. So it said suddenly I had 32 of these factory fluid gauges instead of 16. Alright. But since that's fixed, I need to continue with the next steps, which are, first of all, I need to get the HV energy hatch. That means I also need to get the HV cutting machine. Did I already save it? I think not. Hey buddy, I really enjoyed your stream and I would love to partake in your next streaming. Kindly. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm streaming mostly alone. So then I also needed an assembler setup for circuit 1. Because these here require the high voltage coil and circuit 1 assembler with HV. Plus the this one here. I need to also get the HV upgrade, so I need to update this setup here as well. Okay, I think this is gonna fix after some time. Okay, so that means let's get the... Ah, wait. First of all, I also need to make a chemical reactor that creates various liquids like this one from solid materials. Maybe I should make a chemical reactor that is also able to make the blaze powder. Ah, this is also like that. And then this one I need to combine. What's the Eye of Ender? Okay, that's in the chemical bath. Okay, that's something completely different, but then what I definitely need is the chemical reactor, an HV chemical reactor that has an intake of solids and outputs liquids or fluids, liquids or items. Alright, so, but for this one here I need the red steel. So, since the EBF is busy right now, I'm not gonna do that. That means, did I already craft? No, I think I did not craft the first assembler, right? I did. Where did I? Did I put it already here? Oh. Wait a minute. I totally forgot I did that already. So then, what I could do now is set up the coil. Black steel, okay. I don't have black steel yet. Then I still have to wait a bit for the EBF. But I think black steel is part of the red steel. Let's see. Yes, okay, so need to make black steel anyway to make the red steel as well. Then let's start then with the chemical reactor. Polyethylene fluid pipes. easy to make. And what is this? This is steel. I should have polyethylene ingots for the large pipes. Then that means I just need this gauge. Where is the... I'll make that here. 3 to 1. And also make 4. It's gonna take a while. Okay, actually I'm gonna get this stuff back into the storage. We have way too many pipes now. Can use these resources for something else. So this one is the... There was the polyethylene stuff, and there was another one. Stainless steel. Bronze. Bronze. Stainless steel. Okay. Alright, then no HV motors. That is because probably the... No, stainless steel is there. Okay, it was just making the piston. So... And what's about the... Okay, electron wires also need to be crafted. Is the wire mill busy? I'm going to change this recipe. I'm gonna make this like that. Okay. What are the Cantor coils doing? Done. Means I don't need the Cantor right now. Get this out. Oh my. I can centrifuge this, right, for the chromium. I think I need the chromium more than this much of Cantor. That's a bit too much. I'm gonna keep a stack, but the chromium right now is like just too rare. Since the setup is a bit too slow. But soon we are going to build the real ore factory setup. And then that's vanadium steel. This is also not that much required. Making even more right now. Okay. Hey, Hypercrafting. How are you doing? Today is back to Star Technology. Okay, let's see. Can I make this one? Yes. So this one here then needs a bit more space. Maybe... Alright, actually I was planning to make a parallelized version of this. For making multiple for this processing line here, because I think this one required only circuit 1. Yeah, here, and then there's like, I think this one also required circuit 1. No, I think there was one more thing. Okay, this one. So if I build a setup like that, and I use the universal pipes, then I should be able to get the items and fluids out of the reactor and send them both back to the storage. So that means I've been watching average GregTech player streams. It's funny to see him struggle with adapting to a modern mod. Yes, I've also been watching his Star Technology stuff. I've been writing him in the beginning in chat to use the skillet to make wrought iron. And because I saw him having 4 campfires placed down, and yeah, like I told him to use it, but he didn't understand how to use this. Like, he can finish GTNH in like 5 months, but he doesn't understand how to use these tools. I don't know. Sometimes. But his the funny thing is his GTNH in a nutshell video. Like, right now, when I my previous run when I did GTNH, I gave up, I think, end of MB or something. But that's like 10 seconds into his video or something. So I'm gonna put the input here, right? And make the buffer chest a bit bigger. Then he understood create pretty quickly. Yeah. Create is pretty nice. Like, I think create is like, it's also easy to see what's happening. Like, if you check these huge GregTech multi-blocks, you don't really see what's going on, basically. Then the chest. That's the buffer. So before I had a barrel here, but I increased the size to a chest because when the entire system failed and I had to craft everything again, then the barrel was not having enough storage, and the system basically overflowed because the repackager could not repack items. They could not repack the jars with the packages because there was basically not enough storage for everything to arrive. So that's why I'm already gonna put here a big chest. And then I went 3 blocks like that. And then 2 blocks there, and then put another 2, and then the depot. Do we have another one? No. And I need the Okay, but the rest is basically... I also didn't know he's Italian like me. Oh, you're Italian. Where are you from in Italy? I went to Rome once. And right, and then yeah. No, not like that. I'm just gonna put the one reactor here, like that, and don't build a parallel setup yet. I think I'm not gonna need that for now. First, I wanna get the basic stuff running. You're fairly close to Rome. Ah, I had a hotel in the Vatican area. That was pretty nice. And went to see all the Roman sightseeing stuff. No, what? Oh, I don't have... Ah, but I have that. And I need repackages. No, packages. I need one connected to here. Make a barrel. Don't have andesite shafts. I need to automate these. Ah, no, actually. Super easy to make. And the other repackager goes here. That is like opening up the packages again. Then this one has to turn around to face outside. Okay, get a packager. This one is called Chem Reactor C1. Then let's get the... How did I do this? Gearbox, and then go down, then to chain thing. Oh, right. Then a small cogwheel plus the mechanical arm. Okay. So, but this one I can't place yet. One distance from the depot. That means here. Wire goes here. That goes here. Then I need a bottler. Packager. Then this robot arm should pick up items from here. Then click it twice to deposit here. Like that. And why did I... Ah, okay. Right. Then get a motor. This is also gone, of course. Let's make some charged iron. Where is it? Here. No. Here. Then I also need to put the power supply over here. Okay. I'm gonna extend this one here. I think do I have connectors? Did I autocraft these? Yes, okay. Oh, but I think the wires are gone. Yeah. Need to make new ones. Oh, what is this here? Some leftover. More diamonds. That's enough. And make more wires. Okay. These leftover packages. Then I also need some of these. Did I? Ah, okay, here. Good thing is with the jet boots now, this is not so difficult anymore. And here. And then I need to get a power supply. This can go Where's my wire cutter? Oh no, this was also gone. Didn't save that. I think I should be able to make diamond tools now. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna make one more. Wait, I don't even have a saw now. Right, and all the tools are gone. Okay, wait, then no. I'm gonna do this correctly now. Get rid of this one. Then I need some diamond blocks. Let's get this in this cutter here. Okay, that's very fast. Let's see. First the diamond. Ah, now I don't have enough diamonds anymore, probably. Or no sticks I have. Okay, diamond. Where's the hammer? There. Diamond hammer. Then next step. Here's the saw. Right, first the file. Then diamond saw. Diamond wrench. Wrench I still had, okay. What else? Wire cutter. Diamond. Yeah. Okay, for this I need rods and screws. Okay, I can just use a normal lathe. I also made an HV one already. Then the screws, I need to cut these probably, yeah. Or can I make the bolts in the... No, I cannot. I have to use the cutter. And... Oh no. Why are you... Ah, okay, you're still busy with the diamonds. Good. Right. Screwdriver was missing. And that should mean that I can now make the wire cutter. Okay. Nice. That should be fine for a long time. But what I don't know is this if this can keep up with the system. So then this one, circuit 1, the output side. That is, yeah, a chest. I'm gonna need a tank and a chest. Oh, there. So the universal. Alright, I still have to make that. Why it didn't use? Okay. Like that. Okay, 4 items every 20 ticks, 50 millipackets every tick. Then get the bottler and packager. 2 frog ports. And connect them. I don't have signs anymore. Why did I not automate these already? This one is main return. And what was the fluid one? Fluid return, okay. Return. Then let's get this plus that. They need to be turned on, like this one. As well as the motor also needs some power. That's already turning the right direction. And huh? Do I need the crate wrench or what? Okay, now I can change it. Okay. That should work. And I also need to extend the storage, which I should set up correctly soonish with super chests, super tanks. But for now, this one is going to be bottler, stock link, and right, the packager. Wait, did I link this? No, right? This one, this supply sodium, potassium. Supply sodium, potassium. Okay, let's see. Got this one set up. Camera door. This one is circuit 1 and has power. They are connected. It's going the correct way. Let's see if it works. I'm actually going to set up. Okay, I need to make new ones. I'm actually going to set up the automation board for this one right here. And I should do the same for the assembler actually. This time I do it from the right to left. No, I will do it from this side. Do it like over here. Okay. Let's get factory gauges. And some of these. Where can I link? Okay, let's see. Problem is I can actually not set this up correctly until I have a bucket of this. So that means I will need to disconnect you for a moment. Get sodium. Oh, I don't even have. No, right, I should add it in here, right? That's sodium. And I need potassium. Where am I going to get this from? Salpeter I have. Electrolyze, salpeter I can electrolyze. Okay, good. I can also... rock salt is even better, because I need the chlorine as well. The problem is I'm avoiding chlorine for now. But no, what I'm gonna do actually is a small passive setup. Now, how am I gonna do this? I have rock salt here. Okay, I'm gonna do this manually for now. And do a correct setup when the ore processing area is done. Let's just get yeah, let's just get 4 potassium going. Actually, I'm just gonna throw a stack in there to just process. And this is gonna get voided for now. Here's the electrolyzer. Okay, there's a ruby inside. Why? Okay, get this potassium and let's set this up. So the potassium plus the sodium is going to make... Ah, right. I need to make it first. Where's it? Here. Did I place this down correctly? Yes. Let's get a bucket. I don't have a bucket anymore because they all deleted. Okay, that's the sodium potassium. And let's see if that is actually going to work now. So this is going to make 1 bucket. And this is in the... Right, I need to put a... here's actually 1. This is in range. Or is this chem reactor C1? Chem reactor C1. Let's give it 4 minutes and have at least 2 buckets in the system. How much? Okay, 1 bucket is needed for 1 energy hedge. Yeah. Then I want to have at least 2 buckets. That must be the sodium. Okay, it's gonna be repacked. It's gonna be put in here, and that's that. It's gonna pump into here, which is gonna send it back to the fluid return, which should go in here. There's the sodium potassium. Let's actually make more than... Let's make 3. And I'm already out of potassium. Not have storage for borax. And the drawers are also gone. The locking tool is there, but not the linking tool, which needs paper. Sugarcane is also gone. I hope I still have... That looks nice. And that means I can... where was it linking? Here. This is the borax. Okay. Then get this rock salt out to make more potassium. What is the EBF doing? It is vanadium steel inside. It's cooking still stainless steel. That is fine. Can never have enough stainless steel. And this one is done. Perfect. Let's see if I can also make the blaze. That's carbon and sulfur. But I don't think I have carbon yet. I have a few carbon. That's good. 1 to 1 in the chem reactor. And make 6 of these. Okay, but that is working for now. That means place potters made. Okay. Right, but one thing that is still missing is I need to set up the red steel for making the cutter. Otherwise I don't even have I can't even cut the wafers for making the energy hedges. Which means so this is requiring brass dust. Brass dust I think I'm making already. Rose gold dust I don't make. Black steel dust also not. That is gold dust on a mixer 3 I think. I think this is mixer 3. Okay, wait. First of all, this one I'm gonna keep because I'm gonna need to set up a recipe. The rest can be gone. I need for rose gold, gold and copper. Don't I have gold here somewhere? Yes. Copper I have here. And here also. Okay. That's 4, right? No, 4 gold, okay. Mixer circuit 3. I don't even know. Okay, this needs an MV mixer. Is this circuit 3.1 an MV? Or is it this one? It is this one. Damn it. That is unfortunate. Because I just set it up for the concrete. But I don't think I need that anymore. This was just needed for making the plascrete, right? Which I now have finished. Yeah, I'm gonna make another mixer. And I'm gonna make the HV version already. This can be now for circuit 3. Okay, mixer circuit 3. And get rid of this one. And I'm also gonna deactivate the recipe for concrete. Like set the request to 0. And just when I actually need it, make it manually for now. So, but then this one here, it's making 5 always, so let's make 10. Let's monitor that for a second to see if that's working. That looks good. Good I did the HV version. This recipe took actually quite some time, 25 seconds. Yeah, good. Yeah, HV1 was definitely the better solution. Okay, that's the rose gold done. Black steel is circuit 1, steel, nickel, black bronze. Okay, another new thing. Electrum and copper is the black bronze. Here's the electrum. There's the copper. So then let's make black bronze. 2 of this and 3 copper, right? Yes, which makes 5 of this in a mixer circuit 1. Also make 10. That's the black bronze. Then black steel is also circuit 1. I'll put this underneath here. Then connect to nickel and steel, right? Yeah. And then I need 3 steel. Yeah. 3 steel of that to make black steel. Mixer circuit 1. This one I'm gonna make... Yeah, I'm gonna make... 10 is fine. Seems like this was working. And then the final part is using the black steel steel, brass, and rose gold in the... Wait, do I have... I don't have brass, right? So I need to put the brass here. And this goes here. So, need brass, need the black steel, need normal steel and rose gold. And I need 4 black steel and 2 normal steel to make 8 of that. And 8 is fine. Okay. Then in the EBF, first of all, I need actually way more factory gauges, because I need to first set up the black steel. I need the black steel wire. So, black steel in the EBF is hot. Black steel, and this goes in the cam bath. Same goes for the red steel dust. Black steel dust. Hot red steel. Hot black steel. Black steel and red steel. For EBF circuit 1. Is it 5 minutes or what? Yeah, 5 minutes. I keep giving this. Here also. And make 4. And then this one. Oh no, this I already connected. Cam buff. This one also long. Yeah. So black steel I want 10. Red steel I want just 6. Actually 8. And this one 12, because I was making 4. Okay. That should be crafting now. Okay, the dust is in here. Vanadium steel I'm gonna take out. Definitely have enough of that for now. And then need the wire. So black steel to wire mill. Black steel wire to this. That's 2 in the wire mill. Get this, I don't really need that much. However, this one, wire mill, I want to keep 32. I have enough then to make always 2 coils. The red steel, I think I just need plates. Yeah. Okay, I should have just saved this here. So let's go here. Red steel, 2 plates. And bender. And 4. That's what I need. Okay. Let's see if that's cooking. That is making hot red steel ingot. Nice. That means I can make the cutter soon. Oh, and I cannot place the cutter down here without HV power. So, what power supply did I put in here? Did I put 8 amps or 8 amps? Okay. Right. I cannot make 8 amps like this for now. So I will make... Actually, no, I will make 8 amps already. And I will also increase the lumium wire amount. Because I'm gonna need to make a 16 amp hatch pretty soon. And then another 16 amp hatch for the vacuum freezer area. So anyway, I need a lot of lumium wire. That's already making the black steel. Let's see, red steel, nothing now. Maybe it's making the plates now. This one is making aluminum wire. Okay, that means enough for making an 8 amp converter, which takes in 16,000 FE. So that is anyway impossible for now to deliver by this one. But it's fine, I don't need the 8 amps all the time, probably, maybe just for a few seconds at a time. So, do I need this one now? No, right? There are the red steel plates. The one is probably delivering now. There it is. Let's make this one. And the cutter is done. Good. Let's get the... Didn't I just make a bunch of buckets? Ah, I know why, because there is laser IO filter recipe or something I think is using a bucket, or the fluid stuff, fluid modules. Where's my wire again? Okay, I'm gonna put this one here for now. And let's put this one like that. Okay, and get the items out of here. And let's see. Activate. Wait, how much is it making? 4? Let's make 8 then. Let's see if that's working. Wait, that's not gonna work. Because there is no energy connected yet. I'm going to connect that like this for now. But of course this one needs 2 connectors to the power supply. Okay. That's making the APIC chips. Nice. Then, next is the coil. This one here. What do I need for that? Magnetic steel rod I already have. So I just need to put like that. There's the wire. The coils. Like so. And this one has to be 16. Assembler circuit 1. Make 2. Which should go here. Let's see if it's arriving. Was it this one? Yeah. Higher voltage coil. There it is. That means... Oh, it's lagging actually quite a lot. 16 FPS. What's happening? That is... Was it because of the tree farm? No. It's not the steam engines. If I look back here, it's going down 22 FPS. Oh no. Okay, so now let's make the... This is all done. This is done. Time for the energy hatches. Not here. That's supposed to go here. And I need another liquid one is here. This board needs to be extended. Yeah, and then keep 3 distance, yeah. The goal is the MV energy hatch. I need the coils, gold cable, HV machine hull, and these chips. The machine hull is over here. Then the fluid I need is there. Gold cable should also there. Then what else? High voltage coil is not here yet. And the wafer of course as well. But that should be everything, right? 5 items. Yeah, take 4 items on liquid. 2 of this, but this one here needs to go up to a bucket. Okay. And this is crafted, no circuit with liquid. But before I get this started, did I upgrade this one to... No. I need to upgrade this one to an HV assembler. Because I can't make these with MV. That means for now, let's put this back. Because I think once I make the... Probably if I make the assembler now. Why? Oh, I should be able to make one. I think now a bunch of crafting is gonna start. I will let that run through. Also need another 4 amp energy hedge here. Not energy hedge, converter. And good. This crafting, I'm gonna let it run. This one should make a bunch of lumium now. Okay, it's still making some black steel and okay. Let's see, what was the... So, I got the... Why did I want to make that? Circuit 1 with liquids. I don't need any more. Was it maybe because of this tool here, the upgrade? No, this is just any assembler. So not because of that. Okay. That's fine for now. I'm gonna delete this for now. But the chem reactor I did. And then that means the next step is the EBF power upgrade once the they're making more red steel. I mean, I can quickly replace that now. Right now it's not crafting anything. Okay, let's get this out. Big surgery here. Factory surgery. Get this connected. And then connect this one. That's it. That's the assembler upgraded. So that means let's make one for now and see if it's working. Okay, it requested everything. There's the liquid I just saw. It's gonna go here. And that's the HV energy hedge. Nice. Just 7 more to go. And then that means the EBF can be upgraded. But before that I need to quickly check, do I have enough potassium for now? Don't wanna run out of this. Yeah, I have enough. If I run out of this liquid, then the system might break. Okay, I don't need this anymore. This one too. Let's keep that. Maybe I need that for something. Make 8 in total. Because I need another 8 for the vacuum freezer, which I'm gonna check now. Okay, this is pretty easy to make. I made everything except this part here. But I think I also have an assembler circuit 6 now. And I still need to make this one. I definitely have this. Circuit 4 one. Let's see what is in here. That's pretty random. It's the circuit 8 one, okay. This one is the circuit 6 one. Okay. Where... Okay, here are the various assembler setups. This can go back. I don't need the fluid stuff, but I need more of this. And a lot more aluminium. So, here, here. Actually, I can reuse this one. So, first, right, one more here. First, I need the aluminium rods to be aluminium frames. In the assembler circuit 4. Make 6 of these maybe. I also need to add the assembler circuit 6. Circuit 6. And then that's that. Here are the frost-proof aluminium machine casings, which are a combination of this and that. I think it was 6, yeah, and makes 2. 6 of the plates makes 2 in the assembler circuit 6. Give it like 5 minutes then. And this one I want to have 30. I'm gonna put this back down like once I build the quad setup. I should also check what's the... So if I make the HP 16 amp, that is how much again? Where is it? Here. That is 32,000 FE. And this one has 70, right? No, 48. Okay. So one is enough for... where is this connected? Ah, right. Okay, and this one as well. Okay, this is not gonna work out anymore. I need 2 more energy cells. And actually, I need to... No, one for this area, one for the vacuum freezer. Okay, I don't have redstone in there anymore. No. I also need to make these upgrades for them. Actually for one of them, this one here, the LV one, is completely enough. Do I have everything of this actually automated? Maybe the Bronx guy I didn't. But I built another here, this one. Okay, let's make some gears. This one is called extruder gear large. Yeah. Did I write this down here? No, this is just extruder gear, not gear large. Okay. We need the bronze gear, the soul infused gear, signalum gear, and the bronze gear. Do I have the resources over here? Not yet. Bronze I have, but not the... No stainless steel. Because I just make the assembly. Then this is that. Right, since I don't have soul sand anymore right now, need to steal a bit of sand. Okay, this should start the process of making the soul infused ingots. I should actually replace this area here with... Yeah. And then... right, setting up the gears. What was this for? Okay. Bronze gear, signalum gear, soul infused gear, bronze ingots. That. This one here. 4 to 1. Make 3 gears. Okay, good. These are the bronze gears. That means once they come back here, they should trigger the crafting of this upgrade here. Did I... Where's the fluid solidifier set up? This one, right? Yeah. And do I need, for the signalum glass, I need an MV1. And for this one, I need the aluminum glass, so I need HV. Okay, so I need to upgrade this area. Where am I? This one, right? This is receiving... Yeah, okay. But... Okay, I'm good. Yeah, I'm just gonna upgrade both to HV. So I need an extractor and the solidifier. Extractor and solidifier. Let's make this. Let's make that. And another... I'm gonna make another 4 amp energy hatch. Maybe I want to... Is there any other machines here? No. Wait a minute. If I make this one, for example, this is taking 1 amp. This one is not really taking that much power. At first this one is running, and then anyway this one is running. They never need to run at the same time. So I'm gonna make it 1 amp. The 1 amp version should be fine. Let's disconnect this. Okay. Take this one out. Extractor. And extractor goes back here. Plus the fluid solidifier. Get the item out there. Okay, then 1 amp energy hatch. Energy converter. Get a connector plus a wire and connect it somewhere randomly. I think probably here underneath is somewhere connector. I can go this one. Yeah. Does it have power? Yes. This one as well. Okay. Then let's make the other glasses. Which I need the dusts. Yeah, right, I actually have them because this is how you make this. And this is done. Okay, come on. Okay. First of all, I need to add this to the filtering here. Okay. Then let's get more factory gauges. Both need the tempered glass, so I just need to get these 2 more dusts in here. And that means now where is the this one? Made by this plus this, made by this plus this, and fluid solidify. Fluid. Make 1 of this and 1 of that. Let's see quickly if it's working. Okay. Why? That's not good. Ah, it cannot melt the dust. Okay, so that has to be an ingot then, instead. Same for lumium then, probably. And I don't have an ingot right now. Stop the recipe. for now. And instead use the ingots. I thought I could use the dust. Now I'll do it again. But since I don't have the ingots right now, it's gonna take a bit. Yeah, because it has to work through all of that. But that should be fine. And then these are also done. Let's see if the upgrade was made. It was not made. Alright, I don't have these circuits anymore. Okay, stop. You don't exist anymore. I should I should make the universal one, but anyway, for now. And then one of that. Start it again. This should go. Yeah, this is now requested. And I can also... Oh no, this is probably not done. Yeah. Okay, but that means this one first let's put these down there. So same as here, one can just go over here and then connect to the vacuum freezers, and the other one can go like here. Only problem is power supply to go here is pretty bad. Nope. But that just means I need to build bigger local buffers for now until I got the wireless power. I will first... Oh, this one doesn't even have this one yet, the MV expanded one. Plus no MV upgrade kit. I should also do that. So, but here the LV upgrade kit should be enough. 6,000, and then this one here. Yeah, that's like 4 amps MV, 4 amps LV. Don't need to upgrade that one yet, but enough for now. Okay, that's here. And this one. No. Okay. Connect this like that. And then I want to disconnect. Wait, this one is connected to here, okay. So actually I want to have these separately connected. This one here and this one over there. Is this one filling up? Yes, okay. This one again needs the full upgrade stuff. That means I need to make one more of these. Don't even have gold rods automated yet. Damn it. Okay, then now so infused gear. And also signalum gear. Get this. Like that. Alright. Actually, I'm gonna put this one now into the EBF one here. Okay, I have to do it like that. Damn it. So much power wasted. Do I have another signalum gear yet? No. Because it needs to make more ingots. But then after this one is what? Lumium gear. And I have no HV. I could turn it into an HV one. The alloy smelter. Oh, but okay. This one would be 16 and this one is 8, right? No, 12, okay. Not that big of a difference. But the actual big difference is this one here, right? 24. While this one here is just also 12. And this one is 6. Yeah. Okay, so this one here is pretty big. Liquid glowstone. But the rest I could make this one, but I don't really need. Because the cables I'm using cannot transfer this much power anyway. Oh, is there? Like if I make this upgrade here. Okay, no, this one is great. How else could I transport? I mean, I'm gonna use these ones in pretty soon. I need to make this one with an EV large chemical reactor. Which is pretty soon. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Oh no, I can request. I can just request lava. I can dedicate in one reactor for making this and then just let it fill up with lava. Basically like this. Request lava to this tank and then fill up the hatch. Okay, wait, I need to... this in there. Oh no, I have now HV machines down here. This one is holding up, good. Oh, why, oh, true. I need to, of course, put these now in here. It's working. It's also working. I need to take these out. Okay, good. That's the aluminum glass, which is needed for the multi-block upgrade kits. Do we have another signalum? No. Do we have one more of this as well? Not. Why? This one should be... Ah. This one is not yet done. Because I don't have enough soul sand. I'll stop this process here for a second. Okay, actually, that should be enough soul sand, so they can continue. What's the power saying over here? That's fine. But the only thing is, the problem is right now, how am I gonna get the 32,000 FE into the converter? Or if I put this one directly next to the output of one of the energy cells, can it transfer the power directly? Wait, where's the... Oh, here, okay. What are you making right now? Stainless steel? Yeah. Okay. So does it mean the aluminum is done? Yes. How many energy hatches do I have now? So 8. Let's do the following. Let's pause this for a second. And let's start. Okay. I need a bit more aluminum. Let's wait for aluminum request. What did it now start making? Black steel. Stainless steel. But to test what I now wanna check quickly. Okay, let's do one of the sides here. Make it an export. And put this here. Oh, yes. Okay, that means don't need the wires for transferring. So I will put I will put it just here. Then I need a bit more aluminum wire, but that's fine. Then there's no problem transferring this amount of energy. Here's the aluminum. Okay. No, I want more aluminum. Why did just 4 arrive? Should have been 1. Should have been 4. It's not aluminum, but okay, you can make that for now until aluminum arrives. Come on. Do we have resource shortage for aluminum? No. I'm gonna increase this to 12. This one is requesting how much? 8. Okay. Wait, just 12? No. This one should be at least 20. Okay, there's more aluminum. After this one is done, let's see how much aluminum cable. Oh, no, that's actually completely fine. Don't need to worry about that. So, HV energy hatch. I didn't need to break that. But this one. This one is also an output. This one was as well. But now, this one was an input. Now this one goes here. And yeah, the output is enough. Let's remove these. That's the next power level upgrade, which is definitely gonna drain the power supply. I think probably next step is to upgrade the steam power plant. Okay. Is this? Yeah, this is definitely not keeping up because it can only get 16,000 FE. So I need to increase the. I need to put in MV upgrade in here to have at least 12 times more power storage. If it's going, it will never finish this. I could technically make the. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade this one here. I'm gonna upgrade all of this. I'm gonna upgrade this one to HV and these as well. No, this one can stay. Then let's get the energy hedges in. And here as well. This can transfer 16 amps, yes, good. And then, not this one, where is it? Here. Connect this. So I need to, wait, how much? 16 amp needs then 8,000 or something? 8,000, so I need 12 amps. So I think 6,000 was the output from this one. And the one that's running for a longer time is only this one here. These are pretty fast and just always needs a few seconds of power. And if I want to upgrade that, I already put 2. Let's see, is this one already gone? That is gonna turn these off. I mean, for each coil upgrade, it's gonna use less power, but the next coil upgrade, what's the next coil upgrade? No, is it these? It's gonna take a bit still. Nichrome, yeah. Okay, but this is also gonna take so much energy to make. How is this one now doing? This one is fine. Yeah, it just can't transfer the amount of power that's here to there. Because these connections just allow for 8,000. Let's see. So I'm gonna put everything in here back. And let's see if the LV... No, it's not made yet. Right, because I have the SOSEN still here. So, but this one plus the LV upgrade kit was enough to store enough power for running one of these. No, actually I'm gonna upgrade these just to a bit more. That was pretty fast. Okay. I will also craft the MV version. I have these now. Steel gear I need to make. Three gauges. Okay. And what do they need? They need liquid redstone. Didn't I have liquid redstone already? Liquid copper. No, liquid red alloy I had. Okay. Need to make liquid redstone then as well. Stock. Well. Connect that. No, not there. Supply liquid redstone. Then let's get a bucket. Okay, but the rest, right, the steel gears. Made from steel ingots. And make 3. Oh no, this one is like going to take way longer than the request is coming in. Can I run 2 at the same time? And it's 16,000, right? That should be fine. No. Why not? Ah, because, yeah, the cables are being drained by some other process. That is not so... This is pretty bad. I shouldn't have upgraded it yet. That's okay. How much stainless steel? I have nothing. Okay, so anyway, it's gonna request a lot. I'm gonna do something here. Deactivate that. Just let this run through. And this one as well. This one as well. Okay. Do I have some? I have the steel gears. Then I also have the liquid redstone. First I need to set this set this one here up. Liquid redstone is made with... Where's redstone? Redstone. And one is 144, I guess. Right. Yeah. In the extractor. And 3 buckets is good to keep. Then next step is to go here and add the... Okay, this is always a bit weird. I cannot put stuff down. Okay. This goes there. Then actually going to move this. I can't move it. That is so weird. Okay. Let's see if I can some stuff here. Cold plates also not here. Then these were also not here. Why I don't have... These are the ones I'm making, right? Yes. But they are not being made because I don't have resistors. Which should be made over here. This is liquid rubber. Assembler glue, right? So then why? Where is the setup for... Wait a minute, did I delete that here? Maybe I accidentally deleted that when I did this cleanup here. Yeah, probably. Okay, one sec. I cleaned up some of the old processes to make the other circuits the previous tier. Maybe I removed the components for making the resistor. So the best way to make these was... Am I making charcoal dust? I'm making charcoal dust. And I have the charcoal dust still here. So then make this, and then here's the annealed copper wire. Yeah, it was one that, and then assembler glue. It's making 4. Make 24. Was that the only thing I broke? Seems like... Yes. Okay. But then let's go back to the upgrade kits. The glass. And that is all. It's gonna make this. That's the liquid redstone. And it needs 720 liquid redstone and 4 gold plates. Okay. 720. Assembler. Let's make one. Okay. Just started the recipe. Here I have the resistors are back. That's good. And I can hear also the circuit assemblers. MV upgrade kit. There it is. So let's see then. This can now store 144 million RF. I mean, if I have the already the storages, yeah, I need to get the flux networks. Yeah, the basic one already has more storage than what I just built there. And the nice thing about this one is this controller here can wireless charge, so I don't need to have these jet boots in any machine for charging. They will be wireless charged. But for that, I need to get to a large chemical reactor. Which I could do if I expand this one here to do more fluid autocrafting and then get started with the real fluid storage. Then this would not be a problem. Because right now okay, I will change all of these to super tanks after the stream, because I need to always replace one, wait for this to come in, fill this one up, and then replace the next one, and so on. That's it's gonna take some time. And the super tanks, did I automate these? Here. Yeah, okay. So that's not a problem. Got another upgrade kit already. But right, I should put that to the vacuum freezer area. And I'm not gonna build these yet, the vacuum freezers for now. I'm gonna first continue with setting up the chemical stuff here. So I'm gonna use the existing super tanks for now to get the components, to store the components for this. So I need methane. Can I get this from electrolyzing something? No. Chemical reacting hydrogen with carbon. But I know I can get this from distillation anyway soon. So this setup is kind of temporary. But I need these two. How to get hydrogen? The best way I think was already how I made it for this setup here. And instead of just pumping it in here, I will... Right. So what I will do here, I have an idea. I will put... The only problem is I don't know if it's going to... but it's fine. Okay, so I will put down 3 super tanks here. Oh wait, maybe put a bit more inside. One more. Then I will put some laser IO nodes on top. And one on this one. And I will also store hydrochloric acid, but not yet. I will just store the hydrogen and chlorine. Then I need the root cards. One just needs to extract from here. And the other ones need filters. And the other one is chlorine. So this one is hydrogen, and this one is chlorine. Then let's put the hydrogen maybe here. First this one, and filter this on hydrogen. And then this one here on chlorine. And then let's get the laser wrench is also gone. Where is it now? Okay. And then link this to this and this. Okay, that's hydrogen. That means I can make the bottler, packager, and stock link. Which is the hydrogen supply. And chlorine as well already. This one is supply hydrogen. Hydrogen. This one supplies chlorine. Alright, then I need another super tank that is going to store the methane. And I also need carbon dust, which I can just centrifuge from charcoal, maybe? Oh, maybe not. Okay. Wait. Charcoal, dust. No. I can just electrolyze it. Okay. So then, let's go here. factory. No, here are they. And let's just quickly build some. No, this was not the way. This, of course, is gonna be gone as soon as I have the distillation tower set up and running. So, electrolyzer. And let's always keep 20 in stock. This is pretty fast, yeah. Okay. Let's get more of that and of this as well. And let's make the methane, which needs hydrogen as input. So I need a bucket. I need more buckets anyway. Okay. This one, don't need that right now. And we are going to make methane. With... Wait, I have this carbon dust, right? Yeah. So... And yeah, first I need to actually make the methane, that's the problem. Need 4... Oh, this is so annoying to make that I can't put this. How about I just say... Okay. Let's make... Wait a minute, do I actually need to scroll now? To... Maybe there's some other button? No. Yeah, I need to scroll this up now to 4 buckets. I'm gonna check the configs after stream. Maybe there's a way to bind a third button. Or changing 100 always. And one of that, right? And this is circuit 1. Okay. Gonna remove that. I need to do this again, right? Once I change it to hydrogen, to methane. Okay. This one is making how much? 1 bucket. Okay, let's make 1 bucket. Right, and now it's gonna say I have enough. Do that. I'm gonna wait until it's gonna request 1. Okay. It's the hydrogen incoming, right? Should be 4 buckets. It's going here. "44 seconds. That is quite a long process. clean all of this, and then I replace this. No. Again. Scroll back to 4000. Alright. And it's not making one, it's making one bucket. In the camera character. And this one I'm gonna give 15 minutes. Ah, no, 15 minutes is a bit too crazy. 10 minutes is good. And I want always to have 4 buckets in storage. And the storage is going to be here. That's a lot of hydrogen incoming. That's why I built this bigger chest. Because this kind of stuff can happen. Let's increase the speed of this. Okay, but all the resources. Yeah, good. And I need to connect this again. Yeah, 10 minutes is actually good. And I think I should... Yeah, once I have the stainless steel back, I'm going to make 2 more chemical reactors to have 3 running in parallel. Still making stainless steel? Yes. How much? Okay, now I actually have a lot in the system. I need to take this out. And I'm going to restart the other ones as well. I'm gonna wait until I see some blinking. Okay, they're still doing that, but now it should have already arrived. Okay, it can't. This is... What is happening? Why are these pipes so bad that they can't put the stuff inside the... in this side? Do I need to do like that then? Okay. Oh no, I need this anyway for the... No, I don't need it for the next recipe, but okay, let's just keep that. Oh no, I need to make it one time manually for getting a bucket. And the next one is the chloroform. And the chlorine I'm also saving already, so that's perfect. Means I need to get... Do I need to get 6 buckets of chlorine? Okay. Let's get a cell. Didn't I already have a... No. I thought I made some of these. Silver ring. Okay, then I need to make that and this hammer. Get the rings. Okay, damn it. This one, right? Yeah. And any assembler should be fine, right? Get this. Yes. One cell is like too much, but let's see if I can actually use the cell on a factory gauge here. Oh yes, I can. But why it says still... Oh. I need to immediately connect a stock link to the super tank here. And with the packager. That is the supply methane. Then the next step is to combine the methane. Wait, why did I not save that? Oh, and this has a byproduct of hydrochloric acid. If I... Like this one is supposed to be the storage for hydrochloric acid. So... how should I do that? Okay, no. This one I'm gonna keep in here for this process. I'm not gonna extract the hydrochloric acid here. So I need 2 more storages then. Okay, this looks so bad. Wait a minute. Yeah, after stream I will clean this up. This needs to change. But can I actually move these without deleting the content? No, what was it? I think in GTNH I could do that. Oh, one sec. Let's turn off the EBFs. How much did it finish? Okay. Still doing the signalum. How much is it trying to make now? Okay, that's enough if I do like that. So I need another super tank actually. Wait, this one goes here later. First I need to get one of the liquids in. And that is done with doing that and combining it with methane. And get the rest back out. So one of this is now hydrochloric acid. And then this one here is going to be the chloroform. Yes. Means I can take this bucket out to define the recipe. And get another bottler. Stock link. And set that up. Supply the chloric acid. And this is supply chloroform. Okay. That means this one goes here. One bucket of chloroform is made. Oh no, I need to scroll to 6 buckets for this one. Let's go. Okay, wait a minute. This is the victory. No. How to find that kind of setting? Rate? No. No, here that's not there. Maybe in the create settings. That doesn't look like. And here, that is not it. What about here? No. Logistics. No. Okay, I have to Google that. Because it's probably the same config as here. Because this is also control is 1, or just like mouse wheel is 1, and shift is 10. There's no other combination. But maybe there's an option to enable another button. It has to be. I think later I have some recipes that are requiring even more. If I can't scroll, I cannot scroll to like 12 buckets. That's gonna take too long. Okay, 1 bucket of that, 6 bucket of that. Right, yeah. And wait, that is making 2, no 1. And I wanna have 2 is fine for now. And that is going in the chem reactor. Then the next step. Right, I need the fluorine. This one I'm going to get from electrolyzing, I think, this stuff here. And this is also giving me potassium, which I need anyway. Okay. For now, it's making methane first. Because it didn't have enough to... This one is in progress. Okay. I'm just gonna... So this one here, I think I get from the... From here, right? Is it this one? Yes. So... Let's build a small setup. I need this one to go into the power processing. So I will say that I will make 4 to 1 the setup. 4 of this is 1 of the dust. And then how... Okay, let's say 16 of that is 6 of that. I think that's good. In the ore factory. Oh, no, actually. Yeah, I need 20. Okay, good. So I need at least 40. And then I need to actually remove the output here. Right? How much this has oxygen as output and fluorine as output, so I need to set up oxygen and fluorine there as storage. And yeah, get this one, just send it. So I need a tank there. Oh, I just, how did I do this here? I just put it directly into the bottler. Yeah, bottler can go directly there. Connected to here. This one is not going to be connected. Get how can I just do it from the bottom? Which one is it? Is that going through? Yeah. And anyway, I need to write the sign. Need to make some space here. And that was fluid return. Then get 2 tanks. These can now go. Let's actually I mean, this is gonna look different anyway soon. Okay, connect one here. Can I still connect one here? Yeah. This is not going to try to... first anyway, just one. Then get the... right, it's gonna be in here. Not yet. Need to wait until I got 20. Come on. Come on. Okay. No. That goes in here. Gives a bunch of stuff. Chlorine's gonna arrive first, I think. And two of that. Stock link. What is this now? Chlorine. Right, I forgot. It's unable to put stuff in there. And the oxygen. This one I will set to voiding. And bottlers. Then this one is supply chlorine. This one is supply oxygen, but main because I have another supply oxygen over here. I think maybe they need to be renamed differently. Okay, that means now I have the fluorine to set up the next step. Is this one, why is this one not working? We say there's nothing in here. This didn't really work. Why did you not work? Or did it somehow combine the incoming hydrogen maybe with... no. Then this one should have failed. Let's see again. I'm gonna deactivate this one. Oh, did I already try to make one? No. Okay, let's see. There's the chlorine. Five, 6. It's gonna make already 2. Alright, because I said 2. And then what? Where is it going? Wait, what just happened? Where did it go? Did it just void the product? Did the repackager just void it? Wait a minute. Did I see this correctly? Let's request. No, not 2. You just get 1. Stuff isn't here. Then repack it. It's gone. Oh no. Oh no. That is a big issue. That is a very big issue. I'm gonna turn this off. Request another one. And why it works for methane? Or is it... Are these too many then? Is it bugging out because it's trying to... Because the thing is in the config I can increase the maximum size of the copper jars. I can increase the amount of liquids they can hold. If the problem is now that these are too many to repack. And they're gone. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna do this now. Where was it? I definitely saw that option. Maybe it was not here. It was... There was definitely an option for that. Okay. I'm gonna end this stream for now. Another bug I need to try to fix. Okay, and I'm also gonna fix this mess here. Gonna build something better. Which is like just annoying. Like I'm not gonna stream that because basically I will just replace these tanks with super tanks and then set up maybe another chain conveyor row over here, or use this one, but then yeah, I will just check how I will do that. Yeah, but the main issue is this one here. And I just hope that the problem is that it cannot repack as many of the copper jars, because this problem I can just fix by increasing the capacity, the jar capacity. But if it's actually a problem because it's 6 buckets, like if the amount of buckets is too much, then and that is very bad, and I have to build a dedicated setup for this chemical line, which I will do anyway with the large chemical reactors, but I'm trying to get this liquid polytetrafluoroethylene bucket because that's the stuff I need to make the large chemical reactors. So, okay. And once I have the reactor, I can power to EV and get the flux network to get more power. So, chem reactor, large chem reactor. EBF power is done basically. It's just not possible to run this all the time. Okay, now this program is finished, so I can turn this back on. But I think for like some short requests, if it just needs to make like 20 aluminium or something, it's completely fine. Okay, but that's it for now. So see you next time. Bye bye.